What was that you just did, Jake?
Got on the board early.
Hell yeah!
Shoot the one. I don't know if they're gonna get any closer.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Pick that one up.
Yep. Well, hell's bells, you can get them in with a mouth call.
It was the expert decoy placement.
Well, I think I'm a one-shot guy right now.
Well, Nick, you're in luck. There's a 4-shooter in the truck. Get that.
No, there's a...
Didn't get skunked, guys. That's a big ass, greasy old old adult. We shot their leader.
That's right.
Sorry, leader.
Good eye, whoever the hell saw those.
They're just staying over there forever. Took them out of stock or rotation, I think is what they said. The water?
Fucking water. Yeah, what's that do for me?
I mean, some people like alkaline flavored water. I think it's got iron in it.
Alkaline batteries.
Did you build this or
For my dad. He can build everything.
yeah,
I saw it online. I bought all this stuff, and I showed him the picture.
do this?
I figured, and it was in the winter, and I figured it'd take him a few days. You know.
Yeah,
Called me the next day. Hey, they're done. Hooked them up, and just like, yep.
that's awesome.
Mm-hmm. Well, him and I went to Menards together and got the plug-ins. I mean, they're industrial. He like soldered everything and
Yeah. What is this? Just an amp battery and
amp battery and yep. The plug-in
yeah. Oh shit! Right here, right here. Don't move, don't move. Are we doing it?
single.
We doing it?
Call it if they're close
Take
to.
it.
Yep. Close. How I missed that? I think you hit it. You guys see that one?
That's
That's
right
right.
here. I didn't want to move.
I thought I heard.
You know what my favorite words in snow goose hunting are?
Don't move.
Don't move.
It's like that's fucking white.
You guys should have killed that one.
I was facing the other direction.
I just kept leading it a little bit further.
I did a bobby guy on him. I got it out about 10 feet in front of him. Some speckles.
You're only shooting a-
Well, welcome to the Bucket Boys. We're out here in southwest Iowa, hunting basically like a mile away from where I grew up. If you can't tell, we're snow goose hunting. Keith isn't out here with me today, but got some other guys that I've hunted with in the past out here. Seen a lot of birds, very dead wind, so it's kind of not working in our favor, but hopefully tomorrow We're expecting a little bit more wind. Actually, as I'm talking, here comes the breeze. A lot of birds flying, starting to see some juvies, so have high hopes that might pick up this afternoon. Stick with us and see if we can get some more.
My Achilles do not allow me to do
Another fun fact, this packaging closes with Velcro. How freaking weird is that?
What is it?
Mangoes, it's Velcro.
Really?
I ain't never seen
Instead of Ziploc?
Yeah.
It's like all plastic logo where it's like.
Are they dried mangoes?
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter if they
Yeah,
get a little air through there.
Yeah.
I've
never seen
They're
that
already
before.
dehydrated.
Yeah.
Then why do we leave?
You said
He said shut her down.
Well, I've said that every night and it's never happened.
Well, I see us.
They don't give a shit about us.
Yeah, they're going.
They give zero shits about us and they're getting lower.
Yeah.
God damn it. 10 more minutes. Those four are doing it.
Yeah, they're down right now.
They might land out here,
Got those right there.
outside of the spread. Those three.
Yep, they're down
Right in the middle.
right now.
I think we could have killed those.
Maybe.
I would have let them go to get the other ones in, Greg. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you
They
wouldn't-
didn't wanna
they
land,
would've
though.
been dead. All three of them. They won't out.
You got any bullets?
Not out.
I didn't have a problem falling asleep last night,
No.
nor did I toss and turn. I woke up to the alarm. I did not hear him this morning.
4:30. I woke up, had to pee again. Got up. Didn't go back to sleep. It was about 5. I started 4:45.
We didn't shoot very good. Are they close enough? Huh? It's hard to tell. But they were starting to slide to the side, you know? They weren't very close.
No, not really. I didn't think they were.
You know what we did though? Oh shit, we got to run. That was good.
What was that you just did, Jake?
Got on the board early.
Hell yeah!
2?
Got on the board early though.
Man, that's what we had to do today. Ooh, that one took a little shot in the face.
Got on the board early. Yeah, they were starting to slide there, and I'm like, here comes the three back.
Hey, guide. You missed one decoy way over there. West, some are going west, some are going east. Some are going back.
As long as they get the hell out of there.
Over the windmill there too, over town.
I think we'll take a lunch break today. Oh, I saw the B-2 bomber when I was laying out here on Monday.